It's KKK time! Welcome po sa Kaalaman at Kabuhayan with yours truly, ang inyong favorite K every Saturday. Ako po si Miss K, Miss Karen Oyong, at syempre, exciting po ang ating topic, ang ating episode po ngayong Saturday morning dahil marami po tayong mga pag-uusapan at syempre hindi lang po yan, meron din po tayong pinaka-aabangan. Aba, kung mahilig po kayong manood ng mga teleserye, ng mga series, o diba, hindi po magpapahuli ang inyong paborito po, ang DZRH TV at DZRH Radio dahil meron na rin po tayo niyan, di ba? At syempre, ang ating pong pinakaabangan, proud na proud po tayong lahat. Of course, kasama po natin dyan, di ba? Maghahatid po sa atin yan ang Viva One, DZRH TV and DZRH Radio, ang kauna-unang fiction, drama, romance, action series dito po sa DZRH TV. Walang iba kundi ang West Philippine Sea Defenders! Tama ba? Ayun. So hanggang doon na lang po yung energy ko. Bababa na po after. Okay. So dahil po dyan, ang ating mga defenders ay nandito para pag-usapan po yan. Ano nga ba po ang West Philippine Sea Defenders? I'm sure you're very familiar po pagka binabanggit po ang West Philippine Sea o WPS. Ngayon, meron tayong mga makatotohanan, totoo po mga defenders at dito po ay kanila pong ididepict po ito ang ating mga bayani sa West Philippine Sea. Walang iba po kundi ang cast ng ating West Philippine Sea Defenders. Ayan, isa-isahin na po natin sila. Syempre, unahin po natin siguro from my left. Ayan po, kasama na po natin si Sir Lance Raymundo. Hi, sir.
Hello, Miss K, and to all the listeners and viewers.
Ang gwapo pala ni Sir Lance in person.
Thanks.
Grabe. Nung una ko siya nakita dito papasok sa studio, ako po ay na-starstruck. Ayan. Sir Lance, how are you po?
I'm good. Nice to be back here. Medyo matagal ako hindi nakabisita sa DZRH, but this studio is looking beautiful
Kailan
nowadays.
po kayo last na pumunta dito?
2018, nung nag-promote pa ako ng single dati.
Oh, tagal na nun.
Diba? Tagal
Pre-pandemic.
Yes.
I think you visited our AFM stations.
That's right.
Ayan. Okay. So first time po sa AM. Ayan, sa DZRH. Welcome po, Sir Lance.
Thank you very much.
At equally po, gwapo at macho at syempre defender na defender din po. Ayan. Walang iba kundi Sir Rani Raymundo.
Hello,
Sir
Karen.
Rani.
Mukhang ang ating order ay age before beauty.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes. Thank you for having us here and we're really excited about the WPS Defenders. At tulad na sinabi ng kuya ko, kapatid ko, ang ganda-ganda ng studio natin dito. No? Talagang nakaka-proud. The last time I was here, I think was, wow. Maybe
Ano po? Sige, alalahanin niyo po. Matagal na.
decades.
Decades na.
Mas matagal.
Mas matagal na pala.
Oo.
Pero ba't yung studio lang po yung maganda? Paano po yung host?
Ay, hindi pa ako tapos.
Ay, hindi pa ba?
Ako
Okay.
nag-uumpisa pa lamang. Diba? Lahat yata ng tao dito magaganda.
Thank you po, Sir Rani. Ang gusto ko sa inyo. Nagsasabi po kayo ng totoo.
Abay, talagang dapat dito talaga puro katotohanan lamang. Hindi pwede fake news.
Tama. Ayan. So, Sir Rani, thank you very much for coming.
Yes.
And we'll be talking about your new series in a few minutes po. And ang ating pong next na introduce naman po, isa rin po sa mga cast. Ayan. Napapanood nyo na rin po siya sa ilang mga teleseries po natin dito po sa mga local television networks po natin. Walang iba kundi si Sir Henry Law. Sir Henry, welcome po sa ating studio.
Good morning, Kay. This is my first time to be at DZRH.
Wow.
It's a pleasure to be here. Well, my role here is as you expect to be. The antagonist, the bad guy.
Oo nga. Pero,
Yung kalaban ng mga Pilipinos. Ayan. I play the role of the Chinese guy here.
kitang-kita nga sa mga mata. Pero,
Authentic.
oo nga po eh. Pero, di ba, Sir Henry, ang inyong part ay you're called Shifu. Ayan, medyo
Yes.
may konting na po tayo dito. May konting revealing na po tayo ng mga roles nila. Shifu means master or teacher, right? In Chinese.
Opo.
Ayan. So, na-embody nyo ba yung ganong role, Mr. Shifu Henry Law?
Well, I try to be what the other side's supposed to be. Talaga. Kasi syempre maraming offensive na ginawa action, di ba? In reality. Pero this is a fiction naman.
Yeah, so based on real life events.
Yeah, based on
Don't
real.
worry, sir. Alam ko naman na Filipino po ang inyong puso. I am also half Chinese.
Wow.
My father is
That's great to hear.
Cantonese. But I
Wow.
am a Filipino by heart po talaga. Dito po lumaki at dito na rin po naging nabuo po ang aking pagka-Pilipino. I'm sure ganun din po kayo, Sir Henry.
Yeah, usually kasi that's the same sentiment of the Filipino Chinese here.
Opo.
They're being asked, where is your loyalty? Di ba? Pero karamihan kasi they have not been to China that long. So karamihan talaga, the loyalty lies here.
Yes,
That's
totoo
the
naman
real
po
story.
yun, Sir Henry. Ayun, okay. Pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya. Medyo malalim yan.
Oo.
Pang ilang
Yeah.
season po yan.
Totoo.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Henry.
Yes po.
Ayan. And of course, syempre, ang Rose among the, hindi naman thorns di ba? Hindi naman po ganon. Pero ang ating nag-iisa pong babae pong guest ngayon na defender din po ang kanyang role, syempre, ayan. At hindi mo magpapahuli, si Miss Mary Trego. Miss Mary, welcome po sa ating studio.
Thank you so much for having me here, Miss Karen. And this is actually my first time, so
First
medyo
time
kinabahan po.
Wag po kasi ako rin kinakabahan din po ako Ma'am Mary, Miss Mary, ang inyo pong role ay defender din po
Yes.
So bilang babae, I'm sure kailangan ilabas nyo rin po yung angas,
Yes,
yung
opo.
yung lakas. But at the same time, there's a certain softness kasi pag may role po yung babae po yung role
Yeah.
na gumaganap po bilang defender. Kailangan i-balance po, no?
Yes po.
Mm.
Ang papel ko po dito is I work with Mr. Shifu and as a Manchurian also. Yeah, so talagang kaabang-abang talaga ito kasi super, kahit ako na-excite na rin ako So for now, it's a discreet. Yeah.
So, Manchurian itong side na to. Ito ang Filipino side. Okay,
Yeah.
so dahil pinag-usapan na natin yung ng slightly yung kanilang roles, yung mga roles nyo naman po ang pag-usapan natin. Okay, Sir Lance, ano po ang role
yung
mo?
role ko dito is ako yung pinaka-first recruit ni Commander. And I'm not really a fighter here. I'm more of the IT expert and lahat mga technical yung yung armas ko dito in this fight.
Ayan, pakita natin yung poster. Talagang pag nakasalamin kailangan.
Diba? Ang cute. Ay, sinabi ako yung nagsabi. Pero diba?
Ang cute. Oo.
Nakasalamin.
Oo,
And there we are. And of course, si Kuya siya yung alpha dito.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, kayo parang support ni Kuya, parang ganun ba sa
Yeah, I should say that. Everybody is and the team. Everybody is naman of equal importance, but of course headed talaga by the commander, which is played by my real life brother. First time namin to ever work together as actors.
Wow.
First collab ever in our lives.
Hindi ka kinakabahan, sir?
No, because
Excited ba?
we're excited kasi sa music, ilang beses na kami nag-concert together and we're very close. So talagang nasa bucket list namin bilang artist na yung ibang aspect naman ng showbiz yung ma-explore. And WPS is our chance for this. So maraming salamat sa KSMBPI.
Yes.
Exactly,
Ayan,
exactly.
Sir Rani.
For me, I played the commander. It's galing kami sa different military backgrounds and sa tawag na pangangailangan, we had to form an agency that is covert at para puksuin yung mga terorista. Now you said it is fictional,
Yes.
but you know naman that art imitates life, no? And ang talagang pakay talaga ng palabas na ito ay talagang mamulat ang ating mga kababayan sa mga talagang nangyayari around. It's fictional. Wala naman binabanggit na ganito o ganyan. But it's a reflection, no, of what's going on not only here but sa buong mundo. Ngayon, alam mo kasi Karen, pag yung ang ating mga kababayan ay lecturean natin, hindi sila makikinig. Nobody wants to be lectured, di ba? Pero if we talk to them gamit yung lingwahe na alam nila at gusto nila marinig, which is entertainment, action, there's a bit of romance, there may be a little some light funny moments, no? Ay talagang aabangan nila, panonoorin nila, and then makikita nila, ganito nga yung nangyayari, no? So the hope is yung patriotism ay mabuhay, no?
Yes,
And I
oo.
think yan mangyayari yan. I think this will, no, I don't think, I know that of course with DZRH as our partner, yung reach nyo ay talagang napakalaki.
Yes.
Ay ito yung abot sa bawat Pilipino at sana maano man lang, mahipuan namin ng mga puso ng bawat Pilipino through this series.
Okay. So tayo po ay magko-commercial break lang na mabilis sa Sir Rani, Sir Lance, Sir Henry, and Ma'am Mary. And then after that, we will talking about how you prepared for your roles. Ayan. At ano yung mga i-expect natin sa ating first season. Ayan. It's 26 episodes. Nung una kita natin yung background, makikilala natin ang bawat character kasi it's a longer period, right? And then maraming mga exciting na mga developments dyan. Ayan. So, aabangan po natin yan. Hindi po nila pwedeng i-reveal lahat, pero meron tayong mga konting pa-teaser. Ayan. So, magbabalik po tayong ating oras sa 7 minuto bago po alas 11 ng umaga. Day po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. At syempre kasama pa rin po natin ang ilan po sa mga cast ng West Philippine Sea Defenders. Ayan, si Sir Lance Raimundo, Sir Rani Raimundo, Sir Henry Lo, and si Miss Mary Trego. Ayan. They're live here sa ating studio to talk about ang pinakaunat, pinaka-latest po, ayan po, na, hindi naman teleserye, it's an action-packed series. Meron din po siyang romance, may konting espionage. Exciting talaga, no? Anyway, sino po ang nag-conceptualize nitong West Philippine Sea Defenders? Kasi kaninong brainchild po to? Go ahead, Sir Rani.
Ito talaga by someone who's very dear to us, a friend. This guy is a visionary talaga, si Doc Mike Aragon. No? Talagang itong taong to sobrang makabayan talaga, no? And nung ginawa niya tong concept na to, siya rin lang nagsulat nito. And of course, he has another guy, si Joseph, who's also a writer.
Opo.
Pero talaga yung the main idea is galing kay Doc Mike. And talagang he really feels strongly about WPS. Kasi atin yan, Karen eh. Atin talaga yan.
Siyempre.
Ang ginagamit kasi sa atin na yung tinatawag na cognitive warfare. No? Dinadaan tayo sa mga fake news, which abound. No? So kung ang tao ay, lies, sabihin ng ilang libong beses nagiging katotohanan eh. And ang malungkot nito, kung matatalo tayo na wala pa man laban na nag-uumpisa. So, through this series, I think may inspire lang natin na hindi tayo pwede magpabully. Yun lang yun. And bully is an issue worldwide anyways,
Yes,
di ba?
in so many shapes and forms.
Many shapes and forms,
Opo.
yes.
Totoo po yan, Sir Rani. So, let's talk about your roles. Ayan, sa West Philippine Sea Defenders, alam po natin na kayo po ang mga heroes dito, pero covert. So, parang ang hirap noon na hindi po kayo nakikilala, hindi po dun sa series kumbaga kayo working behind the scenes. So paano po kayo nag-prepare for that? Sige, unahin po natin na si Commander. Si Commander Rani.
Talagang nakadikit naman talaga tenga namin sa lupa araw-araw sa balita. So to prepare for this, we have to be aware of what's really going on in the world, sa ating bansa at saka sa mundo. And ang ganda nung experience namin magkapatid. I've done movies and TV for decades and pero ngayon lang kami nagsama. Partners kami nito umaga pa lang, we work out together every day.
Wow.
So pagdating sa eksena, paano natin hindi kita kapatid, di ba?
Oo, paano
so we have to have an on-off switch but it worked well, no?
Na magaling mag-adjust. Kaya Sir Lance, hindi ba kayo medyo na-intimidate for the first time? Na-intimidate talaga?
Not at all. More of excited.
Excited, oo. So,
I mean, even if we're brothers, we're very, hello.
Ayun na yun. Oo na po.
Kahit na magkapatid kami, we're very professional dito sa trabaho namin. So, walang there's never any hadlang when work comes kasi switch talaga yun. Yeah, and for my role naman,
cyber, kayo?
Oo. And I wanna add on the entertainment value ng show namin. Marami rin mga first time makikita ng Pinoy dito. Like, yung dalawang co-stars namin are actually holograms na kasama namin on the set in real time. Using some technology I've never seen. I mean, matagal na akong artista, pero the first time kong makatabi yung isang hologram on the set. So, hindi siya dinadagdag na lang afterwards.
Oh, I see. So, AI ba to?
AI.
Yes. Yes.
And yes, yun yung most of my scenes are related to these things. So yung mga AI, technology,
Pero
white
hanggang dun
hacking.
lang.
Yeah. Na yun nga. So yun yung ko. So yun naman yung warfare ko.
Wow, okay.
You know, Karen, what is really exciting and refreshing for us is, you know, meeting Henry and of course Mary. And let me tell you, these guys are good. I've worked with so many artists, no, but what I enjoyed most of all is they're very professional, and they really prepare for their parts. And we have some scenes kami ni Shifu, ni Henry, and it was easy because alam mo sa acting kasi it's a give and take.
Yes.
I feed the actor feeds me
Yes.
back, and then abangan nyo na lang.
Oo. Parang gusto nang i-share lahat pero
Abangan nyo na
exciting kasi. Pero kailangan magpigil po tayo. Ayan.
Yung role nila ang
episodes.
medyo
Yun nga
exciting rin eh.
So mag-shift tayo naman
Yes.
sa kabilang party, sa kabilang banda. Unahin natin si Sir Henry kasi parang kayo yata yung magiging mastermind. Ayan, ang kalaban. Ayan, oo. Ng mga West Philippine Sea Defenders. Sir Henry, paano kayo nag-prepare for that? Kasi kailangan maging convincing kayo di ba? Na kayo ay isang, hindi naman masamang tao, but yung character kasi may motives kung bakit niya kailangan gawin yon, di ba? So, paano nyo po prepare yung sarili ninyo to be the antagonist?
Well, it involves a lot of thinking what goes into the character of being, syempre, kinainisan ng buong Pilipinas, tapos ganun. And then what would you feed on the other side, yung aftermath of what you're going to do. And then yung sa side ng being Filipino-Chinese din. Ganun, yeah.
Pero Sir Henry, di ba, pagka kinamuhian ka, even in real life,
Yeah.
parang, ano ba yun? Ibig sabihin, effective ka,
Yeah.
magaling na,
Yeah, it
na
hits
ano
the
mo.
it hits the
diba?
point, yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero sa mga audience natin, sa mga fans, sana wag pong mag-spill over naman sa real life kasi it's just a role.
Yun lang.
Di ba?
Yung Asian hate.
Correct. Oo, wag naman po. Just remember that Sir Henry Law is an actor. He's a professional. He's doing his job. But after the end of the day, he will go home and he will just be a normal person. Di ba,
Not
Sir
only
Henry?
normal, si Henry is one of the nicest guys I've known, no? And
so much.
soft-spoken, sweet, and very loving person, ano? Alam mo kasi
Oo nga, Sir, paano yan? Soft-spoken pero kalaban siya. Di ba dapat evil ka, Sir?
Pero
Yung gusto ni Doc.
Soft-spoken na evil person.
ganun kaya?
Actually, that's scarier nga eh.
Oo, sa bagay po.
It's more
Oo.
sinister na yung mga ibang villains na
Di mo alam yung iniisip
soft-spoken.
nila.
Yeah, you'll never know what's
Pero ang
really
Filipino
under mind.
audience nagbago na. Naabutan ko pa yun, Karen. Guys, you know, I will not name na lang the name of this artista, no? Nag-grocery kami sa Unimart. No, tagal na.
Unimart.
Kontrabida tong girl na to. Sabi, uy,
girl.
kasi nag-grocery ka na noon. May dumaan na alim at tanda. Ikaw, masama kang tao. Sabi ko, sandali lang. Uy! Hindi mo na po yun. Mabalik Pero,
Patay tayo.
effective kasi. Pero ngayon,
Magaling siya.
Yeah.
maiinis sila dun sabang nanonood. They know
Correct.
naman ngayon kung ano yung realidad.
Buti naman.
Pero this lady here,
It hit.
Si Miss Mary.
we're really excited na she's really coming up. Aside from being a good actress, this girl is a fantastic singer also.
Wow. Talaga? Miss
Yeah,
Mary?
abangan nyo.
Papasample kami
Abangan nyo.
mamaya, ha? Pero Miss Mary, yung role mo naman po dito, you are aligned sa Kingdom of
Kingdom
Manchuria. Ayan po. Please tell us about this. Paano rin po kayo nag-prepare? May mga action scenes ba dito? May mga, kailangan po kayong tumambling, tumalon sa building? May mga ganun ba? Parang nakakatakot yun,
Actually, meron. So, nag-ano po ako ng class as the fighting scene. So, yun, ginawa ko rin. So, actually, pinrepare ko talaga yung sarili ko. Like, mentally, physically, spiritually. Yeah. So, and then do research about, kasi gusto ko maging effective talaga na, actress sa ano na to, sa series na to. So talagang tumingin pa ako ng mga Hollywood movies, paano ano talaga. So yun.
Nag-research talaga,
Yeah.
preparation
Yeah,
talaga. Pero ano po yung specific na parang personality po ng character nyo na kailangan nyo pong i-imbibe, ayan, na kailangan yung kumbaga i-absorb talaga para maging makatotohanan, maging realistic?
Well, for me, maging versatility lang. Yun lang. At saka para kung ano yung magiging role, kahit ano, pwede, kayanin.
Tas very supportive naman yung mga castmates nyo po, no?
Very,
if
very
you
much.
need advice or
Yeah.
tulong.
Lalo na kasi ako baguhan ako sa, this is actually my second na ano, di ba?
Second
pa. Oo.
Okay.
So, first, kasi yung kasama ko si Sir Lance sa unang movie. So, tapos ngayon, so tinutulungan talaga nila ako lahat how to this and that, mga pros and cons and
Nakakatuwa si Mary Karen kasi alam mo, what gets into in the way of an actor is ego. No, but this young lady, she researched. Nakikita namin pag break time, kala mo bumibili lang, naghahanap ng mabibili.
Nag-online shopping.
Nagre-research siya. And she asks, parang, which is I think very sweet and very very nice. Parang, ano kaya i-atake yung ganito? So, we never impose naman yung pagtuturo, but she does ask. So we kind of help her in that way. But she's amazing. Abangan niyo yan.
Ayun. So, sino po ang makakasama natin sa mga
pinakamagandang buti na tanong mo yan.
Kasi wala
Alam mo,
sila yung iba
wala. Kasama namin dito si AJ Raval and Ayana Misola, which is really tawag dito, talagang very, very important stage sa kanilang career because they are transitioning. You know, and now it's common knowledge. Everybody knows that they are known as sexy stars. But these are actors with substance, no? And they want to transition. You can,
All right.
Sir Lance.
So ito nga, this WPS, ito yung official na transition nila AJ and Ayana into wholesome, relevant entertainment. So we're really, really happy for them because this is gonna open new doors sa kanilang career and new opportunities then. And with us also is Diana Meneses.
that's right.
And we have Aljur Abrenica,
Yes.
Jeric Raval, Massimo Scofield, Jerica. She plays Madrigal, Jerica Madrigal.
Napakagaling rin ng batang
Yeah,
Oh.
and a lot of cameos also.
Wow.
Surprise cameos.
Surprise. Oh, I see. So, ang galing ng cast. And I believe yung mga nag-training din sa Philippine Navy, tama ba? Parang ganon. Sino ba yung nag-training? Si AJ ba yun? Parang
No,
ganon?
we are,
Or lahat po kayo nag-training?
We went through fight training, for the scenes. Pero ang maganda nito also, you mentioned the Navy. The Navy is we are coordinating with them para sa ganun yung mga ginagawa namin, tama yung mga protocols.
Okay, I
tama
see.
yung mga ano.
Para talagang makatotohanan siya.
Yes. And our theme song is from someone from the Navy. Si Lady Chatterley Alvaro, kapatid ni DJ Alvaro. Naalala natin yan. Napakaganda nung kanta niya. West Philippine Sea, akin ka.
Ayun. Meron akong lyrics nga dito na ano.
Halos maiyak na ako.
Pero one thing we really want to clarify din para sa lahat, yung kalaban namin dito is actually fictional din.
Okay.
Oo.
Paki-explain
So,
nga
it's
yan,
a
Sir Lance.
kingdom with a fictional name.
Fictional flag?
Yeah, fictional flag as
Okay.
makikita naman sa trailer. So, wala kami talagang, diretsyang tinatamaan or anything. It's just the concept of bullying per se that we want to explore and express through this series, and how kung binubully ka, how you defend yourself. So that's what we want to strengthen sa puso ng mga Pilipino.
Ano naman to kasi parang bato-bato sa langit, di ba?
Tamaan.
Ang tamaan, buti nga. Ganun
Sorry
lang.
na lang.
Hindi, buti nga.
Okay. Di ba, ipapasa ko po yung link sa ambassador pagka lumabas na. Ayan.
Correct.
Oo nga.
Ganun.
Kasi kino-cover ko po yung diplomatic corps . Kilala ko si ambassador.
Pero ang pangarap namin talaga, umabot talaga to. Kasi alam nyo,
worldwide.
I'd like to make this clear also, no? Ang kalaban natin is not a country and not a people, but an ideology and certain leaders. No, kaya pag minsan nga the Chinese Filipino kami ni Lance, we grew up, all our ninongs are Chinese, no? Pure. And alam mo, tao, kailangan talaga nila maging aware, no? Na hindi lahat ganun. It's not the people, it's the leaders or ano. And ganun rin dito sa atin, di ba? So, I think makaklaro naman natin dito.
Ayun. Okay. So, and of course, alam naman natin na this is not just an ordinary series. Can we call it an advocacy series?
It is.
Yeah, diba?
Absolutely.
Advocacy
That's the big word.
series. Yes.
Advocacy is the big
So,
word here.
how about si Miss Mary and Sir Henry starring in an advocacy series? Ano yung kaibahan nun sa inyo? Ano yung impact? Lalo na this is your second
Yes.
time to join a cast and to be in a series, Miss Mary.
Again?
Ano yung for you, ano yung impact? Kasi advocacy series po siya. Hindi lang, I think we were sending out a message,
Oo.
kasi a very strong message. So for you joining this cast, ano po yung impact niyan sa inyo personally as an actress?
By spreading the propaganda. Yun lang yung yeah.
Oo,
for me.
na dapat malinaw lang,
Malinaw.
oo. And then we're not spreading fake news.
And
Oo.
hindi ma-provoke yung yung kabila.
Yeah, tama. Kayo, Sir Henry.
It's from the very start of this show kasi the biggest word there is advocacy talaga. Because from the side of the actors and the cast, karamihan talaga sa nakita ko, sa dami ng ginawa ko rin through 8 years with ABS and GMA, the biggest word talaga dito is advocacy and how the people felt doing this movie. It's not more of the monetary concerns. Yung personal na conviction ng bawat isa played part on, the biggest part of it, yung advocacy. That's the biggest word in this
I
movie.
think it's very personal din po sa inyo kasi, di ba?
Sabi ko nga, this is talagang, siguro it's a calling to be in a film na talagang the biggest word is advocacy talaga.
Yes.
Not just any other movie outfit na after you do this, you forget it. Diba?
Yeah.
You be proud of it, diba? Yeah. For the rest of your life. Yeah.
Si Sir Lance lang, kasi yung role nyo po, it's more of cybersecurity,
Yes.
di ba? So, I think that's the buzzword right now. Cybersecurity, online threats, yun yung So, yung role nyo, mabigat din po yung ipoportray nyo kasi.
Yes,
Di ba,
actually.
Sir Lance?
And I'm really thankful working with si Doc. Yung sinabi ni Mary na unang movie namin, advocacy din, it's about climate change.
Okay.
And I'm really proud and thankful sa mga co-actors ko who are willing to take part sa mga ganitong projects. It's known to the public naman through Doc himself. We're all merely receiving tokens for what we're doing. Kasi yung ginagawa namin comes from the heart.
Yeah.
Ang
So,
tama.
That's the biggest.
This is, when I hear the word advocacy, if I believe in it, of course, and I practice it, it's my pleasure talaga to be part of these kinds of projects.
Tsaka it's also an opportunity for you, sir, kasi sa Sir Lance, talking to Sir Lance sa mga nakikinig sa radyo.
Yeah.
Ayun, kasi yung role nyo, very timely siya. Kasi a lot of people, sa technology, di ba parang yung iba
Oo,
natatakot,
that's right.
pero yung iba, very open, but parang sila they tend to abuse it.
Yeah, technology is a gift. Kaya lang, it could be a threat if given to the wrong hands.
Yeah.
So, depende kung sino nagmamano dito. It could actually also enhance our existence, diba? In fact, yesterday, I hosted a 2-day event about cybersecurity.
Ayun.
Luckily, I played that role. So, pagkaka-host ko,
Tamang-tama.
yeah, parang kabisado ko yung topic. So, it was a very good event. Thanks for having me, by the way, Shimap. So, yun. It helps people realize also, yung mga, lalo na yung kabataan, on how to handle and how to utilize AI and all these, technology na meron tayo ngayon.
Ayan, tama, Sir Lance. Thank you for that. Si Sir Rani naman, yung role nyo kasi, sabihin na natin, very serious siya, mabigat, and very challenging. Kasi nasa shoulders mo po. Sa series po,
That's right.
ayan, bilang a commander. So, it's a leadership role,
Yes.
di ba? Tama, sir. So, how are you going to portray that? And ano yung mga personal, parang, yung mga personal mong lagi mong iniisip pag kunyari nag-shoot kayo, nasa set kayo, or what you want people to see when they watch the episodes?
Well, dito sa West Philippine Sea Defenders series, I actually play myself. I think my brother can attest to that because I've led several organizations. And when I'm on the set, I try to channel our father, who is a great leader. And but dito, I portray this with strength, pero may puso. May puso.
Oh, okay.
Bargas pero may puso. Firm.
Nako.
Conviction.
Kasi pag pinapanood ko yan, nag-ano na yung trailer.
Ayan,
It's already playing. Ayan.
There you go.
Oo, parang ano para po kayo yung parang boss na ang strict naman nito.
Oo. Ay, nga pala kasama rin natin dito is isang beauty queen, si Ali Forbes. Nga
Ah,
pala.
wow.
I knew it. I forgot one name.
Yeah.
Hala ka, sir. Hindi, joke lang po.
Her beauty warped my memory.
Wow. Galing na na.
Diba?
Warp my memory. Lusot.
Panalo agad.
Anong role niya po doon? Okay,
Ali
para
Forbes
makabawi
is,
ka.
Ali is one of the
One of the
defenders.
defenders.
Okay.
Actually, siya yung talagang outstanding sa mga defenders. Dito sa defenders na to, sa aming series, walang putukan ng baril dito.
Talaga?
Oo.
True.
Walang
Oo.
violent.
Diba?
May mga fights pero not a single gun will be shot. Pero kasi ginagamit natin dito is technology. Nandiyan dyan, technology should be our friend, not our enemies, and certainly not a crutch, no? It's becoming a crutch, no? So dito maraming magigising na kung gaano kahalaga technology can build and destroy as well. No? So yan.
So dapat talaga in the right hands, we should use it and protect it.
Yes.
Okay. Grabe, ang bilis po ng oras. Lalo if you're having fun at nag-enjoy, ang dami pa po sana nating gustong itanong sa ating mga cast po ng West Philippine Sea Defenders. Pero bago yan, ano ba yung mga activities na dapat nating abangan? Kasi malapit na po itong umere. Diba? Sir Rani, it's how many episodes po ulit ang first season?
First season, there are 13 episodes in a season. So, magkakasunod yan, season 1 and season 2. And as early as maybe 3 weeks from now, I think our vacation is over because we'll be shooting again for season 3 and season 4.
Wow, grabe!
And
work.
I think
Yay,
pwede
work.
ko na sabihin, sana taman tong itong pagpasok ng 2025 pa lang, the first months,
Oh yeah.
we will be shooting a movie na magiging entry natin sa international
Film festival.
Film Festival. Wow.
Tuloy-tuloy po to. At hanggang may, in the words of our producer, no, habang may patuloy na issue, patuloy ang aming serye. Kung umabot to ng ilang season, gagawin po namin.
Wow, talagang committed Pero
committed po.
yung inyo pong tama ba, producer, ito po kasi meron pong lumalabas sa screen and then nakikita natin KSMBPI, Anti-Fake News Task Force Incorporated. Maybe let's just talk about that bago po tayo magtapos sa ating interview. Sir, ano po ba yung role nila dito sa series na ito na West Philippine Sea Defenders?
Ikaw na magpaliwanag niyan.
Sir Henry, Shifu.
KSMBPI is a body of maraming writers that they wanna combat fake news talaga.
Wow.
That's
okay.
been social media because it's being used against a lot of things, 'di ba? Kaya nga tayo nowadays, you don't know what is the real thing because you're being fed fake news. It changes you a lot of things, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kung paano i-react, tapos maraming mga cases involved. Kasi sa ibang countries walang ganyan eh. Dito lang sa Pilipinas, grabe talaga ang fake news. Walang counter force regarding that, wala eh.
Ang malungkot dahil lang dito. So, kaya nga yan ang kino-combat at talagang pinupulis at inaalagaan tayo ng KSMBPI.
Ayun. So, yan po ang role din ng KSMBPI. It's a group of writers and advocates
Yeah, it
against
actually
fake
stands
news.
for kapisanan ng mga social media broadcasters.
Ayun.
So,
Okay.
Kailangan
people
magkaroon
in
talaga
this
ng
field.
regulasyon din
Yeah.
Put together.
So at least meron pong kumbaga initiative.
Initiative, that's right.
Nagsinimulan na nila. So I think this is a good sign and then let's just support yung mga advocacies nila, yung mga activities, yung kung ano man yung mga gusto po nilang isulong. Who knows, di ba? Pero I think it's going to be an uphill battle. Kaya, ayan po, magtulungan po tayo. Ayan. Maging responsible din po tayo as individuals, di ba?
We are all in this together
Yes,
after all, no?
oo.
Pero, kailangan kong gawin ito.
Ano yan, Sir Rani?
Kailangan namin imbitihin kayong lahat sa November 3.
Tama.
Ang anong meron sa November 3, hindi pa po yan ang umpisa.
Ay, kala ko yun eh.
Pero November 3 po ang aming
premiere concert.
Concert.
Yung first episode will be having an advanced screening. And we have Pasabog, may concert featuring all stars.
Wow.
Lahat po kami.
Si Miss Mary, kung makakakanta
Yeah.
rin siya.
Ay, nako.
Yes.
Ay!
And
So-
with matching dinner because it's going to be at the Manila Hotel Ballroom.
Ay.
So it's going to be
Oh
a
my gosh,
wonderful evening.
formal
Yes.
event siya.
Yeah.
Formal event
Yes.
with
Oh my
dinner, drinks, a concert, and premiere.
Wow.
And if interested, yan po ang number.
Saan ba? Ayan pala.
Ayan.
Hindi. RSVP.
Yes.
0956 0494 145.
There
Ulitin
you
natin. 0956 049 4145. Magte-text po o tatawag to RSVP.
Yes.
Ayan.
Maraming
So that's
salamat po.
November 3.
November 3.
So kailan naman po i-ere ang ating serye?
Mary.
Ah.
Mary.
Kailan po a-ere siya, Ma'am Mary?
The time kasi when they discuss about it.
Kailan yung premiere natin? Kasi it's actually November 5.
Oh, fair.
Yeah, November
oo.
5.
Yeah,
Oo.
November 5.
Dito po sa DZRH at ito'y
Yes.
palalabasin ng
11 p.m.
11 p.m.
This is every Tuesday
And
and,
Wednesday.
Thursday and Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Yeah,
Thursday.
every Tuesday and Wednesday.
But can they also rewatch it? Those who will miss the, 'di ba? Kasi we will post it
Post
naman
in
sa Facebook.
social media.
Yeah, oo.
Oo.
We can rewatch eh.
Oo naman.
And of course, you can also subscribe to Viva One.
Pwede.
Siyempre.
Oo.
Pero DZRH, maraming salamat. Kaya kayo ay hindi lang naming himpilan, kundi partner kayo namin dito
Oo naman.
sa advokasya. Kaya mabuhay kayo dito. At
Yes.
we really thank you for having us and for giving us the opportunity not just to promote but to tell everyone what the advocacy is all about, which is most important. So, mabuhay kayo at maraming salamat for having us here.
Thank you, Sir Rani. Okay, so this is our final stretch. Siguro mga final messages na lang sa galing po sa inyong apat. Unahin po natin si Miss Mary. Go ahead, Miss Mary. Please invite everyone to support West Philippine Sea Defenders. And of course, kung meron din po kayong mga gustong i-promote na mga iba pong activities nyo po. Go ahead po, Miss Mary.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayo lahat, lalo-lalo na yung sa lahat, social media, mga followers ko, and to my family, na manood kayo. Malapit na po, at salamat sa inyong suporta. And also, ang dami-dami kong pasasalamatan, pero hindi ko na kayo may isa. Pero una yung producer namin, si Doc Mike, maraming salamat. And Sir Zep, thank you so much talaga sa opportunity na ito.
Ayun, thank you, Miss
Yeah.
Mary. And good luck. I hoping to see you more sa mas maraming mga projects. And I know you can make it, you can do it. Ayan, kasi
Thank you
dedicated
po,
si
yeah.
Miss Mary sa kanyang craft. Ayan, na si Shifu, Sir Henry Luo.
Yeah.
Ano po
Don't
ang
forget,
inyong message?
WPS Defenders. Think twice, thrice before you click the button.
Very well said. Napaka-simple lang ni Shifu. Yung kalaban na nakakatakot.
Ano yung nakakatakot na style
Oo,
nga eh.
diba? Mga ganun. Ini-embody na niya ngayon. Ano
Oh
ba
my
yan?
God.
Sir Henry, thank you very much
Thank
po.
you.
Ayan. Sir Rani po.
Well, alam mo, marami akong pwedeng i-promote, pero I'm going to concentrate on our show, WPS, and to all our kababayans all around the world. We are all in this together, no? So, todo kung todo, hindi pwede media. Magising na po tayo at alamin natin kung ano ang mga katotohanan. Dahil katotohanan lamang po ang dapat natin pinaniniwalaan at kinakalat. So abangan nyo po WPS. Ito po yung lumalabas sa Vivo One and of course sa DZRH TV and radio. Sa DZRH po ito mag-uumpisa sa November 5 from 11 p.m.
Opo, tama.
to 12, I think.
Yes.
But this will appear every Tuesday and Wednesday. At sa mga hindi makakapanood, do not fret because ito po ilalabas sa kanilang Facebook page.
Yes.
So, buong mundo po manunood dito. panoorin po natin lahat to. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much, Commander. Ayan, Sir Lance, it's your
We
turn.
hope that yung WPS would be a part of your lives, na makaka-relate kayo sa mga characters, makikilala ninyo at ituturing nyo na parang kaibigan o kamag-anak. So, make it a part of your Tuesday and Wednesday parang ritual na bago
Yes.
matulog manood ng WPS.
Correct.
Dito lang sa DZRH.
Thank you very much, Sir Lance, Sir Rani,
Thank
Sir
you.
Henry, and
Thank you.
Miss Mary. Basahin ko lang na mabilis yung mga reactions. Si Choi Sablan, the Commander Rani Raimundo is also the boss in real life. The
Thank you,
boss.
Choi. Thank you, Choi.
And then si Bokya. Bokya pangalan niya kasi. Nakikiisa ako para sa bayan. Wag hayaan na tayo ay maapi, ipaglaban ng atin dahil kung hahayaan natin baka masakop na tayo. Wag naman po sana. I-defend po tayo
Ay, hindi po mangyayari
West
yan.
Philippine
Dahil nandito po
Defenders. Oo. Okay, and then congrats to the Raimundo brothers and to the whole cast and production of WPS Defenders.
Salamat po.
Galing kay Choi. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. Good luck. We will be watching the first episode and good luck din sa premiere November 3. Okay.
Ayan, ito nga pala yung sign ng WPS.
Ayun, ganito ba?
Yan, tama yan. So,
Oh.
tandaan nyo na to. Huwag nyo na
Ganun ba?
kalimutan. Pag matutakiti tayo sa daan. Ganyan. Yan. Oh.
Ay, ang hirap naman, sir.
W.
Grabe, ganun. Oh. Thank you guys. Ang fun nyo talaga na may interview. Sana maulit po ulit ito. Sa mga susunod na seasons, welcome po kayo ulit sa KKK dito sa DZRH.
Salamat.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you.
At yan po si Sir Lance Raimundo, Sir Rani Raimundo, Sir Henry, and si Miss Mary Terego. Para naman po sa West Philippine Sea Defenders, antabayanan nyo po dahil malapit na ang simula po ng airing ay November 5, 11 p.m. every Tuesday and Wednesday.